I'm your dad, and I think you are a
Girl.
I think you're a boy, but I want you to be a girl. And you, babe?
It's a boy.
Babe, you got to do it.
I'm your mom, and you're a boy.
I'm your big sister, and I think you're a girl.
Boy?
Yeah.
Or a girl?
A dog.
Ruben?
A boy.
So you know what it is now? Are you gonna tell us? Are you gonna tell us? What is it? Okay, ready?
Okay, what? We turn it to the left. Wait,
Yeah, go.
what are we doing? Day 3. What do you guys want to do? You guys want to go swimming today or to the playground? Why? What do you need your shoes for? Margaret sleeps down, which is crazy. Normally she's like the first one up. No. What are you guys playing? Okay, who's going first? You're red. No, you're red, Rui. Right here, look. Ruben, put the yellow ones here. Put the yellow ones there. Yeah, there you go. As you can tell, they really don't know how to play tic-tac-toe or Connect 4. I guess Margie does, but Rui and Nani do not. They're just having fun.
There we go. Then you can't put it in.
Rui to the park. Outdoor pool, but it looks closed right now. Oh yeah, closed for season. So they get prepared for season pretty quick here, because it must get cold here in Branson. I'm not too sure. But nice little place to have a fire, little community fire. Oh, and they have barbecue. Grill rules. Rui, let's go. Yeah, we'll go change and get ready. Because we gotta get ready. So we finished up the pool. We had a great time. The pool's actually pretty nice. It's an indoor pool. They have a bunch of really cool stuff. But yeah, we're not too far from the playground. So we brought the kids over there so they could get that. And if you're wondering, Olivia's at home. She's resting because we've been doing a lot of walking. And she's growing a baby or two. I'm not sure because we still haven't had an appointment. This right here is where we are staying currently, just for our vacation. That's the indoor pool there. So we're pretty close to everything.
I just see the chicken river.
No, what did you say?
Ginger.
No,
Coming to see the ginger.
the ginger of the baby?
Yes.
Okay.
I wonder if they're good. You
I
think?
don't know. They look. What are they?
I don't know what
They just look like a regular old cupcake.
Yeah, with scaring us.
It was scaring us. Come on.
Yeah, they might be good.
They might be.
It's worth a try. I agree. Because I have to wait till tomorrow anyway. So the longer it's in the house, I want to do it right now.
A nacho?
That would be cool. We should do a nacho. They can only measure the inside.
Yeah. So, I mean, that's 12.
What are you looking for?
My toppers is... Yeah, see? You don't have it. How do you cover up the hole?
Oh, this is, right?
Yeah.
It says remove cap, so I wonder if you could...
Okay, we're good.
It comes off?
Yeah.
Okay, get a different one. A different girl. She's trying to cheat. You seen that here.
Oh, whatever. Okay. They're only $3 a piece. Might as well save them. Boy. Boy. Girl. Okay, we're good.
Are you guys team boy or team girl? Let us know in the comments down
I
below.
was wondering.
Yeah. So, what are you doing now?
What do you have in there?
Should we tell Carter now or make him wait till tomorrow too?
No, I think we should bring all 4 of these to where we want to do it. And then he'll go to the car and I'll tell him, like, how to take off the
Right
caps
now or in the
in
morning?
the morning.
You want to go early in the morning or
I
later?
want to go with when the
At
sun
like
sets.
7?
Yeah. And he'll just...
No. Oh, don't even mess with it.
He'll just pull them off.
Just stop. Put it back in.
But you twist it this way. Because if you do it this way, it'll pop on you. Remove cap. Let's read it.
You think you would shoot it out that way?
No, I think it's this way. Because that's how people pop it on them all the time. Is it this way? It probably is this way. Oh yeah, see, it's confetti. Thank God it's not dye. You were kind of excited for it to be dye, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, because this is like the
Yeah, that's the
cannon or something.
Yeah. Quit doing that. Just put it down. Unless you want to do it right now. It's going to go off in my truck. Carter still does not know. And he is who's going to know. Right?
Shall we tell him?
That's what we agreed, right?
Yeah, should we tell him or what?
Or make him wait too.
Because he's going to start whispering it. Yeah, we should probably wait and tell him.
And if it really is a boy, and then you'll know. He'll just be like his little, I'm your dad, and I think you are a
Girl.
I think you're a boy, but I want you to be a girl.
Why?
Because Dad, all I make is boys for some reason. And you, babe?
It's a boy.
Babe, you got to do it.
I'm your mom and you're a boy.
I'm your big sister and I think you're a girl.
Boy
Yeah.
or a girl?
A girl.
Ruben,
A boy.
if everybody's super good, after we're done, guess what we're going to do?
What?
We're going to go get ice cream.
Sundays,
Okay.
ice cream, whatever.
We'll find out what the baby is. We'll let
What-
her do it.
What do you have or what?
Look, Mommy and Daddy are going to do these poppers. We're going to twist it, and it's going to tell us if it's a boy or girl. But Carter is going to, look, Carter, scoot over. See how
Don't
there's
pull it
tape
off.
right, see how there's tape right here? You just pull the tape off. And because we don't want to see this part. This is the only thing you take off. This part right here, nothing else. Okay, let me just do it. See how this is? You just literally take the tape off and you pull this off. And then hand it to us like this. Don't touch anything else, okay? But I'm gonna leave this and the ultrasound on the floor, okay? And you get to, you open up, so the ultrasound's folded up into pieces. You just open it up and he said he wrote it right on there. So you just have to read one of the things. I think one says toes on it too, but read if it says boy, then it's a boy. If it's a girl, then it's a girl. And then you just grab the girl popper, and you take it off. If it's a boy, you take the, huh?
Okay.
See how
So,
there's tape?
so we do not know what it is, right?
None of us know. But I'm pretty sure I saw people. And I think
The
it's a boy.
only one that knows that is
It's
going
gonna
to
be
know
Carter.
is Carter.
Here.
Keep saying baby.
Go walk in my room.
No, because then he's going to have to put it back in the bag.
So,
Because I want to
here.
see it after.
Always saying baby.
Here, go take it in there. Go take it in there.
You could take this and record it,
Here.
but then pause it and we
Go
won't
in
look
there.
at that.
I know it. I knew it. So you know what it is now? Are you gonna tell us? Are you gonna tell us? What is it? He's trying so hard. He's trying so hard to hold his face.
Blink twice if it's a
No.
girl.
Stop. Let's go.
He blinked twice. Yay!
Lonnie, come here. Come here. Is your baby a girl or a boy?
Oh, and door.
It's a girl?
Yeah.
Okay. Look, is your baby brother or a sister?
A boy.
It's your boy.
Margie.
Girl.
Okay, guys, if you don't know, we're going. This is our first members only video, and you guys are. If you're new here, we're rolling with Sanchezs. We've traveled full time. We're a family of 7, because we're about to find out what number 5 is. So,
Come here.
if you guys are here, thanks for watching.
Come look.
You need 2 of them, bro.
Yeah, 2 of them. Get the other color too. The same one. Come on. Come on. You want ice cream? Come on, Margie.
Find the videos.
Why what?
Why do I have to be 2 topics? Why does it have to be 2?
Are you ready? Yes. I thought I'd already explained.
We explained this twice.
Our gender keeper is a little off.
Okay, now. Thank you.
Yeah.
On YouTube Live. But our gender keeper, he needs assistance.
Don't poke him yet.
So that's what it is?
Yes. Okay.
Are you sure?
Are you sure? Come here.
In what?
Come here.
Remove tape.
Okay.
This way.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Okay. Okay, hold on. We turn it to the left. This way. Wait.
Yeah, go.
What are we doing right now?
Thank you.
So, Rui, come on. Come on.
Let's look. Ready?
Let me see. I want to see.
Until then, like, subscribe, show your friends. Thanks for watching. Don't miss out. Hit that follow button. Thanks for coming along with us, Branson. And yeah, we will see you guys back in Texas.